Now let's just do the second question. Okay. So the question says,
Okay,
write
ma'am.
4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. Right?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Like equivalent fractions.
Yes. So you have to find the 4 more. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
How to find the equilateral triangle over here? I think you can take any number. You can multiply both with that. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So over here, what you are getting over here is, see, the pattern is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 like this. You will follow the pattern. And over here, 3, 6, 9, 12, you know the pattern. Yes? Yes or no?
And what are we doing? I don't understand.
See, over here in this question, what you have to do is you have to observe the pattern. Clear? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So pattern itself, in this pattern, see, for example, over here, 5, then 10, then 15, then 20. So what will be next? Ma'am, 25. And then what will be next? 30. What will be next? 35. What will be next? 40. Yes?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
so
so
like
that's to-
the above numbers, what will it be?
I'm coming to above number. 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21, 24, 27, and it is negative, so negative, 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 negative. Clear? Everyone
Yes,
is
ma'am.
clear? Vega, Chakrika, Sindhus, everyone is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Only one yes, Sindhu said yes. What about
Yes,
others?
ma'am.
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, so you will first note it down and I think next one you can, right? Second, third, fourth, you people can.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you just explain the second one?
Just follow the pattern. See, 1, 2, 3. What will come next?
Mom, can you explain the fourth one?
Clear?
Mom, the fourth one.
Okay, fourth one. See, minus
And
2.
can you explain like after either?
Okay, see, I'm not
If
explaining
it
anything
is
right now. I am
problem.
giving you people 2 minutes because I think others are doing. Just complete it, whatever you know, just do it, and then I'll discuss all the answers. Clear? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, mom.
so you people can quickly do it. Another 2 minutes, then we'll discuss.
Well, mom, I'm done.
Ma'am, can you explain the fourth one?
Yes, mom. The fourth one you and I heard out in the.
Okay, ma'am. Done. Ma'am, the fourth one I only got 2. Ma'am, I think everybody is done.
Okay,
Yes, mom.
so
Everyone's
sorry.
done.
Okay, so sorry. Let's just discuss the answers now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm doing the second one. Just listen to me very carefully. Okay. So over here, 1, 2, 3. So what will come next? 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then 4, 8, 12, 16,
16,
20,
20,
24,
24, and 28.
and 28. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, mom.
Okay. Now next one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
6, 12, 18, 24. Then
5
30,
30, 6 by
Minus 30,
36,
minus
7 by
36, minus
42,
42, minus
6
and
48.
8 by 48.
right? I think you can do it. Now coming to this one, what's the problem? Minus 2,
Ma'am,
2, 4.
is it minus 6 by 9 after this?
After this, it will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, like this. And over
How,
here,
ma'am?
sorry. See, 2, 4,
Like
6,
how?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Mom, we said only 4, right? So only till 14.
Yeah, till 14 only. Then over here, 3, minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, then minus 12,
12.
minus 15,
Okay,
minus
ma'am. No
16.
problem.
Clear?
Ma'am, how? I don't understand the lower one.
See, 3, 6, 9. So after 9, what will come?
Minus 12.
Yes.
Aren't we seeing like the minus 2 by 3?
Yeah, after that you can put minus. Na? What's the problem? Right?
No, like we are not like coming from like minus 2 by 3. It's like
No.
the numbers are double, so we are not
You
counting.
have to just put, for example, just in case you're not getting is this, just forget about this. Just follow this trend then. If you get confused from the question. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, like this one,
Hmm.
like not in the -1, in the normal one, like we can do a trick like just like multiplied it with the same number. Suppose 4 into 4, we got 16. Same like that.
Yeah, same like this, but the only you have to look the trend because this question says pattern.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Clear.
Okay. So you want to write it down? You're done?
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done.
Now this one, write 4 national numbers equivalent to this. Right? So over here, what we do, you have to find the next 4. So what you can do, you can multiply 2 and 2, you will get one answer. Then minus 2 upon 7, 3 and 3, right? Then 4 and 4, 5 and 5. You have to find 4. So first one will be this, second one will be this, third one will be this, and fourth one will be this.
Ma'am, what we have to find? Like,
See, I'm just telling you, whenever the equivalent things comes, it means, for example, 2 upon 3. You have to find the equivalent number.
Ma'am, we have to multiply and
Yes,
multiply.
you have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same number.
9.
Yes. So for example, 4 upon 6 is the first equivalent. Now 2 upon 3, multiply, 3, 3. So over here, 6, 9.
35.
Right? Okay.
okay.
So do all the
You have
parts.
to punch 4 like that
Yes.
in one each number. One
Yes.
number.
Yes. You have to like so.
Ma'am, but you wrote like,
First exam,
Yes,
maths
Africa.
is
ma'am, but you wrote like that, like 2 into 3 and 7 into 3. But you told
same,
like
same,
it should be equal, right?
See, you have to find this
అడుగుతా
2, 2. Yes. Then multiply it with 3, 3. You will get the answer. Then
4 like
multiply
that,
it
then
with
4,
4.
4.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
And then multiply it with 5, 5. Okay.
Wait, what?
Ma'am, like if the denominator is having a minus sign, then we can like write it in like the like the numerator sign. Ma'am,
Yes.
I said like suppose it 4 by -2. Then if I like multiplied it with 2, then 4 twos are 8, 2 twos are 4, 8 by 4. And should I write like minus sign in the upward, right? -8 by 4. Or no, like it should be 8 divided by -4.
Where you are talking about this 8 divided by -4?
Ma'am, suppose the question is -4, sorry, 4 divided by -2.
-2. Okay.
And then we did like into 2.
Hmm.
Then we get 8 by 4. Like
Yeah.
should
So
I,
your
like
answer
that
is
sign, right?
yes.
It should be in the lesson.
Mama, I'm
Yeah.
done. Mama, I'm done.
Okay. We'll just wait for others.
Sure, ma'am.
Done. Ma'am, I think everybody is done.
Vega is doing, I think. Vega, you are done?
No, ma'am, not done.
Okay, okay, do it. Do it.
Sorry.
Okay, okay, do it. Do it.
It's fine.
Ma'am, like in this exercise, there is a rule, right? That in minus 2 into by 7, we have to not like multiply with 1. They will not give marks, right, ma'am? We have to start it from 2.
You can start with any number, there is no problem, but you can start with 2 because 2 is the easy number.
Okay. Ma'am, basically
Done, ma'am.
equivalent numbers are like that. Minus 2 by 7 into 2, and then the denominator will also be 2. If suppose minus 2 into 6, like after 2 we can do 6 also, but
Yes.
like we have to do in order.
Yes, it's your choice. No order. You need no need to follow any order. The only thing which you have to follow, the numerator and denominator should be same. That's it.
Okay. Ma'am, everybody is right.
Ma'am, everyone's done.
Ma'am, everybody is done.
Okay. So for minus 2, minus 4 upon 14, 6 minus 6 upon 21, minus 8 upon 28, and minus 10 upon 35. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct, everyone?
I got it
Yes,
correct, ma'am.
Okay. Now the second one. Second one will be minus 10 upon 6, minus 15 upon 9, minus 20 upon 12, and minus 25 upon 15. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sindhus?
Yes.
Okay. 8 upon 18, 12 upon 27, 16 upon 36, 20 upon 45.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. Okay. So what you have to do is, for example, 3 upon 4. Okay. This number you have to represent on the number line. So how will you write it? 0, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4. Right? And this is the 3 upon 4. Clear? In case if I give 6 upon 2, you have denominator will remain same. You have to only change the above one. 0. Then over here 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, 3 upon 2, 4 upon 2, 5 upon 2, 6 upon 2. Right? So ma'am, this is 6 upon 2. Clear? You have to start from 1 and you have to keep it going until and unless you get this number, the above numerator. I hope it's clear.
Ma'am, we can also write more than it and then
Yeah, you can write till any number. You can write 7 upon 10. You can
Ma'am,
write.
like we have to draw the line.
Yes.
Like
The number line. Okay, so I hope everybody got it. So now this is your question. In case if it is this, then you will start in the negative one, you start from here, right? Minus 1 upon whatever it is, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, right?
Ma'am, like in the like the third one, you
Hmm.
have to do the zero in last one. Then
You will
zero
write
before
0 here
zero
and leave
minus
it to this
one
side.
minus like that. Yeah.
Hmm. This side. If it is negative, this side. If it is positive, this side.
Ma'am, I forgot and I wrote it like from left to right.
Negative will be on this side and positive will be on this.
Positive will be that side. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. I forgot.
No problem. You
Yes,
can erase and you can do it again.
I was doing I was doing it with the pen.
Then leave it. Just make a small cross over here because you know it feels dirty when we cut it. Just make a cross here like this.
Yes, ma'am.
The second one is minus or the line is it? Ma'am,
Yes.
the second one has a line or it's a minus sign?
This one.
No, the second question.
No, it's a sign negative. Negative 5.
Negative sign. It's negative 5 sign, right now?
It's negative 5 upon 8 and down one also it is negative 7 upon 4. Okay.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, can I go drink some water and come?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, everyone is done. Should we discuss the answer?
Ma'am, since is left.
No, I am.
Vega?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Then everyone's done. Vega's also done, but then she went in and got her right.
Okay. Let's just wait for her to come.
Ma'am, I think Violet came back.
Sorry.
Yes, ma'am, I came back.
Okay. So let's just discuss. 3 upon 4 like this. 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4,
Yes,
4
ma'am.
upon 4. I already told
Yes.
you. Now this one, minus 1 upon 8, then minus 2 upon 8, you will write it here only, right? 3 upon 8 minus 4, and this is, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, why did like the number line folded like that?
They just made it like this, but you don't have to do this experiment. You have to draw the simple number line only. Just
Okay,
because of
ma'am.
space, they made it like this. Okay, now coming to the third one. Here, minus 1 by 4, then minus 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4 till 7 upon 4, right? Yes? Yes or no? Minus
Yes,
1
ma'am.
upon
Yes.
4, then minus 2 upon 4, like this, right? Then give a ratio. Now the fourth one says 7 upon 8. It's simple, right? 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 5 upon 4, like this. Clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the next one, which of the following pair represent the same number line? Okay. So how will you get to know, ma'am, which of the following pair?
Ma'am, it's same rational number, right?
Yes. Which of
No, you
the?
said number line.
Okay, sorry. Same rational number. Which of the following pair represent the same rational number? Okay. So over here, it's like minus 7 upon 21 and 3 upon 9. Okay.
Ma'am, so when we cancel them, both of them are like 3.
7, 1
I
upon
mean,
3,
one is.
and it is 1 upon 3 it is. Right?
Ma'am, but then the first one will be minus 1 upon 3.
Yes. Yes. So over here, are they same?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Right? So, no, ma'am. Here also, similarly, you will do it like this, right? And you will get your
So
answers.
if they are similar, they are not same.
Yes. No, if they are similar, then they represent the same rational number. If they are not similar, then they don't represent the
So
same.
the first one was representing it.
No, it is minus 1 upon 3 and it is 1 upon 3.
Okay.
So it's minus and this. Okay. So quickly you will do all the parts and then you will tell me the answer.
Ma'am, like suppose if you the second question,
Hmm.
first sign is above and second sign is below.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
it's okay, right? That
Yeah, the one should be negative, no problem.
both will be negative. So no
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah, no problem. Both will be negative. This one
It
is
does
also,
not like for it's the
yes. It doesn't
denominator.
matter whether it's in numerator or denominator.
Okay.
Can you just explain this one more time?
Okay. See, what you have to basically do is, for example, I gave you this 5 and 15, right? And over here, 3 and 9, right? I told you, tell me whether this pair of rational numbers are same or not. Okay. So what you did, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So what you got, 1 upon 3. Sorry. And here also, so
Oh,
sorry,
yes, ma'am. Okay.
1 upon 3. So ma'am, yes, they both are equal. But in case if it is
Okay.
negative, then ma'am, it is not equal. Right? In case the other pair can be 5 upon 10 and 3 upon 9. So it will be 1 upon 2. Right? And it will be 1
Yes.
upon 3. Right? So again, they are not equal. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am, no, I'm done.
Okay.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the fifth one.
Okay,
That
no problem. Okay. For the first one, you got 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 3.
Yes, ma'am. So not same.
Right? So they don't represent the same rational number. Now, second one, you got minus 4 upon 5 and minus 4 upon 5. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So they represent the same rational number. Now, third one, you got 2 upon 3 and negative
Yes.
2 upon 3. Both are same.
Ma'am,
2 upon 3,
ma'am,
2
but
upon
then
3.
minus plus minus will be positive, right?
Yes, minus 2 and minus 3 you got, and 1 you got 2 and 3. So this minus and minus got cancelled. So 2 upon 3 equals to 2 upon 3. Clear?
So they are equal. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
they represent the same rational number. I hope everyone is getting it, or am I going fast? Getting it right? The way I'm discussing? Right? Okay. Next one, minus 3 upon 5 and 12 upon 20. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, not equal.
Ma'am, I'm getting
We'll
like
further simplify
minus
it.
3 by 5 though.
Yeah, you will simple.
Because like minus 12 by 20, when we like simplify it, we'll get minus 3 by 5, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But then it's positive,
It's
right?
positive
I
and
mean,
negative,
negative,
no?
right?
Yes.
So both are negative.
Yes.
Okay.
So
ma'am.
both will be same, right? Same represent the same rational number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the fifth one represent the same rational number. Yes? No?
Yes, ma'am.
And the sixth one do not
Oh,
represent.
no. Ma'am, they do not represent
Fifth
the
one.
same rational number.
Fifth one.
No, ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, because like minus 24, if you take 3 table, minus 8 by minus 5.
Yes. Then
Oh,
this is also
I
8
wrote
upon
minus
negative.
15, ma'am.
No, it will be, this is also 8 upon minus 5. Negative you can take here. So it will be minus 8 upon 5 equals to minus 8 upon 5, right?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am, I get it.
Now the sixth one don't represent because totally different. Then the seventh one, they does not represent the rational number, right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Chakrika is saying yes. What about others? Sindhus, Vega? Any problem in this question? I will discuss it again.
No, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am,
Okay.
for the sixth one, it's not same, right?
No, not. Does not represent, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Here also does not represent. Okay. Okay, so I hope everybody is clear with the question. No doubt, nothing, right? If they ask you this question that which of the following pair represent the same rational number, I hope you got it what to do, right? But remember,
Yes,
after
ma'am.
solving this, you have to mention it. Yes, they represent the same rational number, or no, they does not represent the rational number. If you will not write that statement, then you will not get full marks. Okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you people are not saying yes, no? Only Chakrika is saying. Getting bored? Vega, Sindhus?
No, ma'am.
Then, Sindhus, you are getting bored?
no, ma'am, my ear is paining very badly. I'm just like,
Why? You are any problem?
no, today I had like the journey now my car, so the windows were open and I think the air got in my ear.
Wear the cap. It will help, I think. Is it cold there? Because winters has started, In India, winters has started.
But still there is hotness, ma'am.
Yeah, in over India itself, in the daytime it's summers. In morning
Yeah.
and evening time it's winter. So it's complicated. Currently over here the weather is complicated. You cannot judge it whether it's hot or whether it's cold. Okay. Now this one, what you have to do, rewrite the following in the simplest form. You have to simply divide it and form the simplest form. Clear? For example, whenever the question comes for the simplest form, right? That means you have to divide it until and unless it is not, you cannot divide it further. For example, um,
12 by 24.
what I can do, 15 upon 27, right? So I have to find its simple form. So 3, 5, 3, 9, right? So after this, I cannot divide it further. So this is the simplest form. Clear? Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Right? So for example,
Yes,
2 by 10. So ma'am, 2, 1, 2, 5. So this is the simplest form because I cannot divide it further. Right? In case if this is the situation. Right? So first, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 4s are. So this will be the simplest form because I cannot divide it further. Okay?
Mom, we can also like directly
Yeah,
do
directly
1
you
by
can do
4.
4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Right? It's your
Okay, ma'am.
choice. Okay? So these are your numbers. Write them in the simplest form.
Mom, I'm done.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, everyone's done.
Okay. So for the first one, what do you people got? Minus
Ma'am,
4
I
upon
guess
3.
this is not done.
Minus 4 by 3. Yes, ma'am.
And for second one,
Ma'am,
5 by 9.
ma'am, ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
guess this is not done.
Sindhu, you are not done?
I'm done, ma'am.
No, ma'am,
Ma'am,
she's done.
I am getting a doubt. Like
Hmm.
5 by 9, we can do more like short. So it should
How
be 1
can?
by
How
3.
can? How
5
can 9?
ones are 5.
And where will win a 9?
3
You have to find a number that comes in both the table. Like you have to find a number that you can divide it with this and this both, right? Then the C1, minus 11 upon
18.
and this one, minus 4 by 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now this, yes. Now this one, you have to put the symbol. I hope you know the symbols. Like for example, 2 and 3. Who is greater? 3. So you will open the mouth this side.
Yeah.
Okay. So now over here, you cannot decide, ma'am, who is greater. Definitely. So first, what you need to do is you have to make them
Cross multiplication.
right. Yes. Anything. But
Oh, the
one thing-
sign.
yes. See.
Ma'am,
This
but yeah, if the sign, the positive will be greater.
Ma'am, it's not cross multiplication, right?
No, here, the which logic you will use, this is negative and this is positive. Who will be greater? Definitely positive, right?
Positive.
But
Oh,
here,
yeah.
both are negative.
So minus 4 by 5 is the graded.
How?
Because like the negative, like 1 is the greatest in the negative one. So from like, which is like more, like more, so like ma'am, it's like more.
You are correct, Sindhus.
Ma'am, actually, minus 5 by 7 is greater, right?
भैया उधर जाओ.
How?
Ma'am, because like, if we multiply 4 into 7, we'll get minus 28. And then if we multiply minus 5 into 5, we'll get minus 25. So as it has the minus sign, like minus 25, like minus 25 is usually greater, like negative signs.
Okay. Any other answers?
In the
No, ma'am.
negative, that is like more, much more closer to it.
Hmm.
So that will be the greater.
Okay. So over here, what you have to do basically, in negative, the much more one is definitely greater.
Ma'am, should we find the LCM?
No. Wait a minute. Because over here, I got two conclusions. So I just need to clarify both. Okay. First thing which Sandhu said is correct. But there is a mistake. What Sandhu said is, ma'am, the negative one is basically opposite. Na? For example, in number line 0, here is minus, first minus 4 upon 5 will come and then negative 5 will come. Right? So definitely this one is greater according to Sindhu's and she is correct. Right? But Sindhu's, over here what will happen? In case if the question is like this, they have the same denominator. In this case, this one will be greater. Clear? Getting the point? But over here, denominators are different. Yes. Yes or no?
Ma'am, but the denominator like does not count that much, right?
No. You have to. How will you see in a number line when you will draw all the denominators are same na when we were drawing the number line? Yes or no? Then we made this number line here, right? The denominators were same or different? Tell me. All the denominators were same na?
Same,
Like
ma'am.
4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, right? So here your concept was clear, but you will apply that concept when both the denominators are same. Okay, but in this
So
situation,
should we find the LCM?
yes. Okay. So what Chakrika told, I hope everyone got the point of Sindhu's as well, right? In case if
Yes,
the
ma'am.
question comes like this, that they have the
Yes,
same
ma'am.
denominator. If this questions come, who will be greater? Definitely this one will be greater, right? -3/7.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
I'm now coming
Yes,
to
ma'am.
this one. What you will be doing? First of all, you need to make the denominator same. So 5 sevens are 35. So -4/5, multiply, and here you will write 35. Now, by which number you should multiply that it will become 35? 7. Here also 7. So what you will get here? Tell me.
28 minus 28.
28 minus 28. Okay. And over here, -5/7, multiply, 35. So 7 should be multiplied with 5. 5. So you got -25.
Minus.
So who is
Ma'am, we
greater
can
now?
also do cross multiplication, right? That's much more easier.
Yeah, cross multiplication you can do, but not in every situation cross multiplication will work. That's why use this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see, now the concept of Sandhus will come. -28/35 and -25/35. Now they have the same denominator. Who will be greater? Definitely this one will be greater. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So Sandhush, you were correct, and even Chakrika was correct, and even Vega was correct that we have to take LCM and all that, right? But there is a way to do it. Okay? So first, you need to make the denominator same, right? And then you will find both the new numbers, and then you will compare these new numbers, and this 25/35 is this -5.7. So you will make it this. I hope it's clear. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will first note it down. Like, see, first one was very simple. It's negative, positive, so no need to worry. But in this case, you need to worry because both are negative, right? So quickly write it down this, and then I will show you the next
Ma'am,
question.
can I I already did it with like the cross multiplication. So
Yeah, no
can I just
problem. No problem.
let it
It's
be like that?
if you want to write the other method, you can write. If you don't, if it's
Okay.
your okay. Others will quickly note it down, right? And then I will give you the third question to solve.
Ma'am, can you scroll?
Okay, let's just wait for everyone to do. Then I'll scroll. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Ma'am, only Sindhus is left, right?
Okay, done. Sandhus is also done. Okay, so here you go. Quickly do this one. Only do the third one because we have only 2 minutes. So
Okay,
do
ma'am.
this one only, third one. First, CCC. Before just jumping to this thing, first just simplify them. Maybe you get something good. Okay, first simplify this one.
Ma'am,
Right?
like you have to do the compulsory, you have to do the steps.
You have to simplify it. Compulsory simplification. See, in this question, what is the scenario? See, -7/8. The box.
Ma'am, but then we won't be able to write as like the numbers.
Ma'am, I
and-
didn't understand the sixth question, so I read just like this.
Ma'am, I finished the third one.
Okay. See. Let's just come to third one first. This is the scenario. So what I did, I simplified it. Right now I have -7/8 here as well as here.
7
They both are equal.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how would it be -7?
This is negative here. Now I can put the negative here.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I
problem.
didn't see. I didn't see.
Okay, so I think third one, nobody has any problem.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Anyone is having any problem? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we have only 1 minute. I will give this as a homework today. Okay, and in next class we will discuss it because we are running out of time right now. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
So still we have 1 minute. You people can quickly go through whatever we did today and let me know if you have any doubt for 1 minute. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.